clouds have been rapidly filling in across west central Ohio ahead of a weather system. Now, temperatures right now are fairly comfortable and seasonable. 51 in Lima, Ottawa, you're the cool spot at 49, Findlay 54, Sydney at 53. But we notice all the gray colors on the map indicating that cloud cover. And across the far western part of the area, radar's trying to suggest maybe a few sprinkles working in. We'll have to moisten the low level part of the atmosphere first in order to get that to the ground. But we are definitely expecting rain later tonight, especially after midnight or so. As we zoom out, plenty of rain already developing across Illinois, southward to St. Louis and to Paducah, Kentucky. Now, all of that is associated with a wrapped up area of low pressure over Nebraska. This thing will be moving off northeastward and giving us a good chance of rain overnight tonight. So let's go ahead and track this out, shall we? So as we go ahead on Skycast, we can't rule out a sprinkle for the next 6 hours or so, but most of us should be dry with clouds continuing to becoming more overcast, and that will be the theme as we get closer to midnight or so. After midnight, notice how we start to develop some showers across the area that really becomes numerous in coverage by sunrise tomorrow morning, and really a pretty steady and stratiform rain. Couple pockets of heavy rain can't even be ruled out. This continues as we go to 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, as we work through the rest of Sunday afternoon, namely from lunchtime onward, notice that rain definitely becomes more scattered and isolated in nature and lighter as well. And any rain should shut off quickly after sunset Sunday, and that'll give way to a fairly nice Veterans Day for any events scheduled or services that you may have planned. So as we look at the Veterans Day forecast, 7 o'clock Monday morning, 43 degrees, partly cloudy. Now, as we go through the rest of Veterans Day, middle to upper 50s with overall a mix of sun and clouds expected. West wind going to be pretty breezy of 10 to 20 miles per hour. In terms of rainfall through Monday, a nice rainfall event on the way, a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch likely for the whole area. The heaviest amounts should be focused near and southeast of I-75. So certainly great news as we still have drought across the region. Other part of the story will be a bit breezy tomorrow, but certainly not strong winds by any means. As we start tomorrow morning, generally winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 20. But as we go through the afternoon hours, generally we're expecting winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour, sustained, perhaps gusting as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour. So as we plan out your Saturday night, overall, the low may be achieved fairly early in the night, 49 at 9 o'clock, but temperatures will rise slowly back into the 50s as we get deeper into the night. As those southerly winds start to strengthen, rain chances really go up drastically past midnight with solid, certain chances of rain by sunrise. And as we look at your Sunday, very wet to start the day with those rain chances slowly tapering as the day goes on, highs right around 65, also breezy with wind gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour. Looking the rest of the 7-day, Veterans Day looks nice with a mix of sun and clouds, 59 degrees. Cool Tuesday morning, 34 degrees, but remember that is pretty seasonal for this time of year. 51 Tuesday, 58 on Wednesday, following a cool start Wednesday morning, 33. Next chance of rain looks to be Wednesday night, lingering into Thursday. Casey.